My name is Norman B. Smith. I have liver cancer that's inoperable, and I am being prevented from having a transplant because of my medical marijuana usage. I was diagnosed with inoperable liver cancer August 2009. I had 2 ablations in October and November, which were successful. However, a 3rd tumor appeared. I was placed in a clinical trial, which was successful for 93 weeks. I was the only one successful in the world on a clinical trial, phase 2. The irony to me is the fact that I was a successful clinical trial patient while using medical marijuana and had the support of the clinical trial medical side in using medical marijuana, and that there was a total disagreement because of existing protocol between the transplant team at Cedars and the oncology team at Cedars. I was able to obtain, because of positive results, a script for medical marijuana from my clinical trial team, and was denied a liver transplant by the transplant team, both of which are at Cedars, which shows that there is definitively a rift in thinking between 2 departments, and unfortunately both sides have to bend to existing protocol for their own self-preservation. They're employees. They're not allowed to do what their employer states cannot be done. Since I am the only successful patient in the clinical trial, to take away something that's been part of a successful regimen did not make any sense. And my cancer team at Cedars has supported that position and has been frustrated by the protocol as well. Based upon my own personal experience and other medical information that I have read, I'm personally aware that the usage of medical marijuana has lessened any need that I have for any prescribed opiates which I'm allowed to take. The chances of changing protocol, and at this point it's a long shot, but I'm going forward with the challenge of trying to change it to make it easier for the next people that are in my situation. I'm called, a poster boy for the clinical trial by my oncologist, who's very favorable to my position. I'm called Miracle Man by the surgeon, my liver transplant surgeon. However, their hands are tied because of protocol, which is not based on any medical or scientific proof. It's frustrating that I'm in this situation. However, I'm accepting of it and just, looking to make the best of it with whatever time I do have left. And hopefully there will be someone with enough sense and compassion that will change the protocol so that I will be eligible for a liver. My existing medical and therapy side of life agree that I'm as eligible because of my health and daily regimen as anybody can be that's expecting to get a transplant. I'm offered the opportunity to take major opiates from Oxycontin to Vicodin. The pain that I have dealt with and has been lessened by my usage of medical marijuana. The emotional challenges that I face have been eased with the use of medical marijuana. And I don't believe it's a coincidence that when I stopped using medical marijuana, my cancer markers went up and tumors returned. That's why I sought out challenged Cedars-Sinai's protocol and was lucky enough to bring in and make the acquaintance and have ASA on my side, on my behalf, to combat the protocol and help hopefully change it. I still try to maintain a positive outlook, have a spiritual basis in my life, and try to have a joyful moment and a quality of life that makes it worthwhile to get up every day. My goal is to leave the world a better place than I found it, regardless of what the authorities say or not regarding my usage of medical marijuana.